Hello, I'm Mrs. Lilit. Today, we'll explore how plants evolved and adapted to life on land. Over 420 million years ago, the first vascular plants appeared on Earth. But their story began much earlier.
Moving from water to land was a major evolutionary challenge. On land, plants face sunlight, wind, and extreme temperatures. To prevent water loss, plants evolved a waxy cuticle and stomata. Roots absorb water and minerals, leaves for photosynthesis. Cells became organized into complex structures. Each cell specialized, yet worked together as part of one living organism.
A vascular plant body is divided into two main systems, the shoot system above ground and the root system below.
At the tips of shoots and roots lie apical meristems, regions of active cell division.
Plant structure is built from three simple tissues, parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma.
Secondary growth is driven by the vascular cambium, forming new layers that increase stem diameter.
Xylem cells, including tracheids and vessels, transport water and minerals upward. Phloem tissue distributes sugars and organic substances. Sieve cells and sieve tube members ensure nutrients reach every part of the plant.
Inside the stem, vascular bundles contain xylem and phloem. Their arrangement varies, but their function remains essential.
Plant evolution shows remarkable adaptation and organization. See you in the next lesson.